YouTube, it's your boy Tavon. So yeah, I pick up this truck today, man, July 17th. Well, another additional trucks to my collection of, I want to say collection to my trucks that I have already. So, it's nothing bad, you know. So, we're doing pretty okay, if you ask me. Y'all probably wondering, like, man, you got another truck? Yeah, we doing big things. We're doing big things. We got big rings. So I'm doing you guys can see. Put my flasher on. Yeah, man. This truck has 13 speed in it. My other truck got 10 speed in it, so so we're doing all right. It drives okay. No complain. Show you guys the tour. Show you guys a tour of it. So it's all right. Can't complain. I'm grateful, tired, exhausted. So when I get to Florida, I gotta put my business name on my truck. And put it right here, my business name. So as you guys can see, I open the hood of it. Just giving you guys something, nothing major. A little looky. Yeah, to all my haters, to all the people talking about, don't be hating on me. Be happy for me. If you don't want to be happy for me, then stop being a miserable cunt. I said it. So, you guys can see. Yeah. I got me a new truck today, man. Yeah. So, ain't too bad, man. Ain't too bad. Go inside. My bag. I'm at the hotel right now, though. I just checked in so I can sleep for the night in the hotel and get me, So yeah. Yeah, man, this is what it looks like, man. New more beginning. So it's what it is, man. It's what it is, man. Alright, YouTube, peace out.